Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a craft, and that is the ultimate hand warmer. And when I say ultimate hand warmer, I mean the ultimate hand warmer. How it works, you basically create the hand warmer and then microwave it for 30 seconds before you slip your hand inside, and you will be so amazed at how fast your hand gets warm and how comfortable it is to get your hand warm again. I know it looks like an oven mitt. If you want to decorate it, cool beans, but for practicality, boom, this is it, the ultimate hand warmer.
Here are all of the items you will need, except for a funnel. I forgot to put that in here, but you will need a lot of felt, rice, and a sewing machine. That's it. Begin by outlining your hand. Now you want to make this very over outlined. Like it looks ginormous, which is good. This is what you want. And then once you have that shape, you want to set out a smaller outline on the inside. And you only need to put the smaller outline on 2 of the pieces. And you need to make 4 of these total. And so I just used the first one I make and use that as an outline for my other 3. And the reason I use felt here is because it's very sturdy and it contains the heat really well. Once all 4 are done, you want to connect 2 of the pieces together and pin them along the inner outline and leave a section open that you will not sew. That way you can put the funnel inside of there without ruining your stitching. So basically you sew around 98% of that outline and leave that small piece open. And then after you fill it with rice, which is the next step, go ahead and then sew that extra piece closed again so that you have the entire inner piece sewn together. Time for the filling. Go ahead and use that funnel to get the rice on the inside of your ultimate hand warmer. And now you want it to be full of rice, but not too full. And for a hand about my size, it was a little over a cup of rice. Do this twice, so now you have 2 pieces sewn together and full of rice. The reason you want to set another sewing line that's not just the edge of the mitt is because you want to, 1, not ruin your sewing machine, and if you try and put 2 pieces together that are too close to the rice portion, your sewing machine will be very sad. But also you need to be able to fit your hand inside. So just make another sewing line far enough outside of the inner line that this is possible. Ta-da! And you just want to sew that on the outer sides, and of course not the bottom because you need to put your hand in the bottom. Now all that's left is to trim the edges, and there you go, you have 1 ultimate hand warmer. Do this twice and both of your hands will spend the winter in warmth.
If you have to scrape ice off of your car in the morning, throw this guy into the microwave for 30 seconds, slip your hand inside, and scrape the ice off of your car in comfort. If you're outside in the snow and maybe you made a snowman and your hand is frozen into like a claw, slip it inside the ultimate hand warmer and you will be good. It's, oh my gosh, your hand will get so warm so fast, but comfortably so. You know, it's not like a painful, like, oh, my hand's thawing, it hurts. It's like, oh, wow, that's so pleasant. And then all of a sudden your hand is warm. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If this was useful, give it a thumbs up. Maybe check out the other videos I have on my channel. Hopefully, you can try this guy out and brave the winter elements a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.